Hello friends, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. So I'm Dr. Mona Gujral, and today the topic that I'm going to talk on in this video is a certain thing which is, according to one study, 94% of the world population is struggling with. So yes, that is nothing else but procrastination. And I am one of the persons who procrastinates a lot, and I am one of the person who puts the things to the last moment, and my team has a big problem with this. So this is my way how I am tackling procrastination, how I have tackled procrastination to quite an extent in my life, and I'm going to share a few tips about that with you. So the first thing is, if you want to overcome procrastination, then procrastinate. Yes, you heard me very right. What I'm saying is very right. So if you want to overcome procrastination, procrastinate. Procrastinate on what? Procrastinate on the things which are not necessary for you. So let me explain this. What happens is, all of us have a list of things to be done. Many of us make a to-do list, or many of us have it in our mind what needs to be done. So if you have it in your mind, I would advise you to please write it down on a piece of paper and make a to-do list. So once you have the list in front of you, mark the things which are very important in your life. So that can be probably that there is a client assignment which needs to be done and delivered, or so your money is coming from that, or you have a boss, your boss has given you some project report which you have to do, and that is also related to your job, so that is also your major priority, so you have to do that. Or probably you have a doctor appointment, you have to go for a regular your doctor visit, so that is also a priority, that is your health. Then it is your relationships, your children, probably they have their exams coming up, and you have to teach your children certain topic, or finish some important assignment which they are unable to do without your help, so you have to do that. So these are the things which are very important, and if you do not do these things, then there is going to be some major impact on one of the major areas of your life, whether it is your career, whether it is your health, or your relationship with your children. So these are the things which are very important. So mark out these things which are very important, and this have to be done, and try to finish them in the first half of the day. So next comes the things which are unnecessary. So we all have, if you have a to-do list of around 15 items to be done, 15 chores to be done in a day. So I can bet you that, out of that, there are 6 to 7 items which are very unnecessary, which we think we have to do, and they will take a lot of time, for a lot of our time, but the result is hardly, the impact they will have on your life is hardly 1 or 2%. So these are the things which you should procrastinate on. If it's not very necessary for your life, if it is not very vital for your life, you can put them off to a time when you have you have time in your day, and when you can tackle your major tasks are a little less, so you can put them off to that day. So even if you don't do them, there's no harm going to happen. So for example, there are certain articles you have to read in a paper. You've marked certain articles in a paper, in a magazine, or somewhere, or you have some podcast to hear, or some course to attend. So even if it was necessary, you would have done it right away. If you've kept it for a later date, it means that is not very necessary, and you can live without it, right? So those are the things which you can strike off. This I can probably do at a later date when I'm on a holiday or something like that, and this is a leisure thing. So you can put it away. Or probably you have to go and meet your friend for a cup of coffee. So what happens is, you can, if it is something very important, you can talk to your friend on the phone and explain that I cannot come out today, so we meet after a couple of days. So you can strike off that thing and meet your friend after a couple of days. So if you have to read some book, if you have to go visit a market, if you have to go check out some carpet in a you need to buy a carpet, and you just want to go and check it out at some place. So you can leave these tasks, something like that. I hope you're getting a hang of it. So all these kind of tasks you can cut away from your list and procrastinate on that. So finish the major tasks which would have the major impact on your life. If they're not done, finish those tasks first and leave away the tasks which do not have any impact on your life. Even if you do not do it there, that's okay. Your house is still okay without the carpet, or the old one is still doing fine. Your article, if it's not necessary, it's not meant for you that time, so just let it be and let it go and do not stress about that. So once you strike off all these things, you will see that you free up so much space, mental space for yourself, not any other. So the mental space, you psychologically you will be like, okay, so out of my list of 15, 6 or 7 items are taken care of. So I just have 8 or 9 items left, and out of them, yes, these are the important ones and I can finish these. So this is the way probably you can handle procrastination, to manage it in a better way. And if you would like to know more about procrastination, I have a course on Udemy which is on time management and procrastination. You can go and check it out. That's complimentary. It's a free course, so you can check that course out. And I will share the details in the comment section below. And do share share this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you next time, take care.